Hello, good morning. This is chapter 11, exercise 11.1, problem number 3. We already discussed it in the previous videos, the theory part and example problems, and next exercise, first problem and the second problem. Then now this is third problem. So the problem says the production of cement by a firm in years 1 to 9 is given below. Year 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and up to 9. And production in tons 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 10. Calculate the trend values for the above series by 3 years moving average method. So underline that what kind of a moving average we need to calculate, 3 years moving average. So let's start answering this problem. So first column will be year. So of course 1, 2, 3 you can write up to 9. And next y value should be production. Next we will write 3-year moving total, and next 3-year. Okay, what is the year value? 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9 values. Okay, write down the year. Fill the year column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So better to take lines like this. So by identifying moving average and everything, I suggest this is better. And the production values are 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 10. So let's calculate averages. First, we didn't get anything and select the first 3. So sum these values for 5, 5, 10 and 14. And we should divide with 3. So 14 by 3, of course, it is 4 3s are 12. 2 left. 6 3s are 18 and 6 3s are 18. Next, round the value. Next, select next 3. 5, 5, 10 and 16. Divided by 3. 16 by 3 is 5.33. And after getting second average, cross the second or make a box for the second value and select the next 3. The total value should be, you should write in the middle. Okay. So 5, 6, 11, 11 and 7, 18 divided by 3. 18 by 3 is 6. 7, 8, 15. 15 and 6, 21. 21 by 3 is 7. Round the box. 7, 8, 15. 15 and 9. 24. 24 by 3 is 8. Round the value. 8, 9, 17. 8, 8, 16. 16, 9, 25. 25 by 3. 8.33. 17, 17, 27. 27 by 3, which is 9. So last value, it didn't get anything. Okay, so this is the table for the problem. Next, we will draw the graph for this. On x-axis, we will consider the first values. On y-axis, the second numbers. So x values will be 1 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For graph, approximately we can make markings on the graph. Y values also you can take up to 10. So y values you can decide yourself. So how to take the range values. Sometimes it will be 5, 5 variation. Sometimes it will be 1 variation. You can decide. So 1, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, data values we will mention first 1 to 4 and second 5. Okay, you can sharply join the bell is not like this. I'll show you like this. And this is original data. Show here a line, right? Original data. Next, make markings, right? Trend line. Trend line. For trend line, we will start from 2 because 2 has the trend value 4.66 and 3 5.33, and for 4 it is 6, for 5 it is 7, for 6 it is 8, for 7 it is 8.33, for 8 it is 9. Okay, so this is the answering the complete problem.